Welcome to another unboxing. We have one Nature Technicolor Big Toad Gacha by Ikimon to open. These are out now and available in short supply from online retailers. Like and subscribe. There are only 4 in this series to collect. They're all identical, with colorway variations. There are no listed ratios or chase, but you know that doesn't mean there aren't any. On to only orb. It's a toad. These are huge. So big, the gacha ball was stubbornly and barely held together by tape. In multiple pieces, some construction is required, and there are no instructions provided. Thankfully, they're not difficult to assemble. As you can clearly see by the multiple angles, these sit strangely, so are probably relegated to display in pot plants, for a sneaky surprise, as they just look so awkward on a flat surface. The detailing and colours are realistic and strong, with a striking resemblance to the real thing. For the price, the scale, weight and detail make them great value for money, as they're inexpensive and look impressive. But with the lack of display options and the subject matter, these may just be too niche. But for now, that's all we have time for.